be really surprised if that's okay. So you'll understand I can't let you down. I didn't think soldiers. The captain had, what do you mean? Well, you've seen the state of his bed. That wasn't Daniel. Oh, I'm afraid it was. And if you go to the police about Ben's accident, then I'll have to report Daniel's attack on my husband. And Daniel will go straight back to jail. Blackmail. Oh, I'm sorry, but you've left me no choice. I don't believe it. Daniel would never. I know what Daniel is capable of. I've seen it. Years ago. Before he met me. Before you fixed him. Before he fixed himself. It's all still there, Marianne. The anger. The rush of blood, the lack of control. Oh, man, Daniel loses it. He really loses it. Daniel is a good man. I know. But that doesn't stop him being a violent one. Now, you can make him talk about his feelings till you're both blue in the face. But you'll never make him something he's not. What do you want?
What was that?
Thank you.
This looks nice. I was wondering if I could help with it.
You're a bit late.
Maybe I could always wonder if I did. Just to bring what happens. Because I was kind of a flow.
No, you're right. We are friends, but today we do things badly. And when I say we, I mean me.
You want me to go?
Yes.
I'll see you later.
What do I tell Sammy? I'm sure he'll think of something. What about justice? Like, what kind of justice leaves a silly boy and a teenage girl locked up for an accident? Sammy needs closure. Not at the expense of my family. Now, don't test me on this, Marianne. Because I swear, if either of you go to the police, I will report Daniel's assault. And it goes straight back to prison. This isn't right. You've seen what Daniel did to my husband's face. Is that right? Sammy, things are going to be today. Right. You better go and set her straight. But why? You know, so you want to know? You said to do it today, didn't you? If you really wanted to go, it would have gone no matter what I said. Sure, rubbish with you, know it. That was a soft touch for your concern. Always has been. Fair? And now they're keeping them there for your benefit. But I am not holding them back. Do you really need somebody, darling? Take a chance in something different. Maybe you've been in trouble facing it for too long and let it go. It's nothing never comes back. You're his best friend and he'll be right. Of course he's going to come back. I am. And you can get his coffee. Oh my sure. You like it? Yeah. That's fine. The supplier's back on board. Oh, good. You were just sorry. Come here. I'll have to talk to the woman. So, you sort of things it was good. Good. You do need to when he came. And you've always got Nero. Parrot. Get in. Bye.
Who's she one?
She knows about the accident. Don't worry, no problem.
This is a problem.
I thought she would. She would.
She doesn't know the thing.
She doesn't.